Okay guys, in episode number 3 we're gonna show you how to use the checkout and how to pay on our website. And for that we're gonna use as an example bit of episode number 1 when we were placing an order for seat covers. So have a look. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll try to answer as soon as possible. And now we've got the checkout screen. If you're a new customer, simply register your account here, or you can select guest checkout. We're gonna use the guest checkout, it's gonna be easier. There we go, we press continue. Let's say we've chosen the guest checkout and it will take us to the billing details. So I've just put some random details which we are gonna use here. There you go, so you put your first name, last name, your email address, telephone number. You can put your company details here, address, city, postcode, country, and the region state. There you go. And now after that we press continue. And now we have come to step 4, which is delivery method. But remember that is delivery time when your product is ready to be sent out and not the time when your product will be ready, as usually it takes around 3 weeks to get them done. So you've got 4 options: 3-5 days, 48 hours, 24 hours, or click and collect, as you can collect it at our headquarters as well. That's not a problem. So let's say we're going to leave the first option on. We're going to press continue, and now we have come to the payment method. Our preferred method is PayPal, as you can see it here, as it gives you protection and is the most convenient. Make sure you tick all the legal informations after you read them, so that they are here. There we go, 2, 3, and 4. Press continue. Okay, so now we've got step 6, which is confirm your order. So again, you can double check if everything is put correct, plus your delivery time. You've got your total amount, VAT amount as well, and now you can press confirm order. There you go, it is processing. And we know that not everyone has PayPal, so if you would like to pay by direct or credit card, you do have that option after confirming an order. And now it goes straight to PayPal screen, but if you scroll down just here, you've got pay by debit or credit card. After you press that one, let's see, it's loading. And you can see you've got all the information required, like card number, expiry date, security code, first name, last name, and the address. There you go. Simply you just press pay now in the end. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, and as you've seen, it's really easy and straightforward to place an order on our website. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram as well. Keep an eye on more tutorials which are coming very soon. And in the meantime guys, don't forget to have a look at our Facebook page, Pimped Truck LTD, where we always put our updates. We have a lot of photos from jobs which we have done before. You can have a look what's coming up here. There you go, all the news, all the new products. Everything is up here, so please have a look. And the same with our YouTube channel, where you can see the Volvo FH4540 which we have done for Hanlon Transport, whole interior made by us, plus other things from the shows which we attended last year, and it's more coming this year. So don't forget to give a follow, subscribe, and hope to see you all at the truck show.